What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday morning. Taking a look at the NASDAQ here, coming back down to 30,000, that 450 level that acted as resistance and support. Resistance again on the way back up. So let's see how they react off this today. They are dipping into it first thing here in the morning. 20 seconds, new 5-minute candle close here. Let's see what happens with this candle. Maybe we take a long off this for the move back higher. Let's see what sets up for us today. We'll see you guys on the first trade.
Order filled.
I'm going to take this short here. I'm watching this coming into a retest here, this 536. A lot of strength. We'll see if we can hold under this here, if they're just going to keep sending it higher. Retesting this breakdown candle low. We do have this range here on the 15-minute. Let's see if we can play this for potentially lower high here and see if we can get a move back lower on this. Let's see, pushing up higher here. I'm gonna try this. I don't love jumping in front of this strength. I did want to get long down here on this 5-minute retest. We missed that entry. I want to give this a try though, so we're in the trade here. Short 531.25, 5 MNQ. Let's see if it can resist here. Some sellers coming in a little bit. Just been kind of going straight up here. That would have been a nice 2-minute entry here. The sweep on that 2-minute reclaim. I was watching the 5-minute. Nice entry there, 942 for a long after recovering over this 447 level. I don't love this trade, but I do want to give it a try. Watching this here, pushing higher over the 550s. We might open a 5-minute, get stopped out right here. We'll see. They might flip this green. We opened like right on it. I mean, let's they're playing with us right here, dipping down. Probably gonna buy it up green and then get stopped out on this, unless they just sell it straight off the open of that candle.
Order filled.
There it is. Yeah, new 5-minute candle, sold it off, dipped, stopped out for 206 on that. Looks like they might break that open high at 930. Yeah, probably should just sat on the sidelines for that one, not tried front running the strength there. See what they do here at this 5-minute or this open level, if they're going to push through that there. Let's wait, let's watch, let's see if we get a better setup here. See you guys on the next trade. New hourly, new 4-hour about to open.
Order filled.
I'm gonna play the 10 o'clock.
Order filled.
On the short side here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens with 10 o'clock here.
Order filled.
Hello. Okay, it just froze and I couldn't get out anything. Okay. And now we're risking too much because I couldn't move my stop. That's a classic. Went all the way down to open print. I couldn't even move my stop to break even. That's what I get for trying to play this, I guess, huh? See what they end up doing here. Big 1 minute candle on that. That sucks. That sucks. I couldn't move. I couldn't place any orders on that. Just froze. Huh. Well, let's see if it continues down here off that. I guess it's just moving too quick. It just froze on us there. Coming back to the entry there, 583.50. I thought, huh, 10 o'clock news. We're straight up off this flat top. They're probably gonna push it lower. They did push it lower. I just couldn't move anything, move any orders.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add one there. 5 MNQ on this. Stop is basically over 600 here, risking 221 over these open and close of the candles. I want to see a larger drop into this area, and I'll move stop at break even, and then we'll trail from there. They may just hold this here, closing back above this. They're gonna dip and probably turn this green. Need to just get some continued selling. Yeah, they're dipping there into the 9, pushing it green. Flirting with my stop.
Order filled.
There it is. Stopped out there. That sucks. I mean, I was playing that drop and it just, I guess, happened so quick that the just froze. I couldn't move my stop, couldn't do anything there. Watching this here, new 5-minute candle about to open. Watching this long, see if we can get some continuation out of this.
Order filled.
Gonna buy it right at the open of that candle there. Going sideways a little bit. Let's see if we can get some continuation up into the 60s here. Put a stop buy order over the highs. We do break that. Strength coming in here. Do 1 minute open. Let's see if they can flip
Order
this. Tagged in long there. 3 more contracts. We're gonna tighten risk. 110 bucks. If they pull under that and go red on this candle. I mean, we've had straight 5-minute candles since 9:40. At the very beginning of this, I was looking for the long around here. Missed the 2-minute entry. Maybe, yeah, it was a 2-minute. Right here. Really incredible. We got a dip there on volume into the level, bought back up, and then we got an open, dipped into the low of these levels. That would have been an incredible long entry. Then this one dipped down, nearly retested the high of that after this one finally closed over the previous candle. First time in the entire drop. And then just strength the entire morning here. Looks like they're continuing to push higher here, up near the 640s.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add 1. Stop still at break
Order
even.
filled.
Man, ended up coming back down, tagging us out there. Could have scaled a couple. Wanted to see it continue. I mean, we're still in this uptrend here. Still holding this, a 9 to 20. That sucks as it rolled over there a little bit. Coming back down. Back down to 2 minute 9, 1 minute 9 and 20. You know, do I play this again on the long here? Off this. 1 minute about to open. We're getting strength off that. They're trying to buy, but they're selling this 5 minute here. Yeah, let's wait here. We are on a 15 minute though. Take a look at the 5 right in these levels.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take this long here. Watching this 15 minute retest. We do have the 10 o'clock candle, the open, 9 o'clock hourly high. See if we can hold this and push back higher off this level here. Watch the 1 minute, 2 minute. Look for a spot to add into strength out of this if we do confirm holding. 200 point risk on this. Put a stop buy order for now over that 2 minute. Opened right on that.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add one. See if we can get some strength on this 1 minute. Push through the 9 here and get a close over it. Just stop by order here. We break over this. The seller's coming in. See if we can at least close it around here and open a new 1 minute and get some strength out of it. 8 seconds here. Okay, good close on that. See if we can get tagged in with our other 4 contracts here. They're trying to push this. Your 5 minute candle about to open.
Order filled.
Tagged in there. Tighten up risk to the low of this candle. Risking 300. A little more than I'd like on this. Good 5 minute close there.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add some more contracts on that. Tighten risk here. I'm gonna move stop to break even. We're 12 contracts here. I want to see the break of this. I can start scaling out some, and then take profit's gonna be up here near that 693 yesterday's high target. Yeah, I don't want to see this flip red on us. Stop will be there at 620. See, pushing back down there. I don't want to see this flip red and start going down. I want to see this hold. Might get stopped out on this again.
Order filled.
Yeah, stopped out there, coming back down. Playing larger size, tighter stops here, trying to hit that momentum play here, and just, I mean, we were up about or something about our drawdown on both of those. But don't just want to cover because of the dollar amount there. We may be making a lower high here. Kind of head and shoulders-esque as well. After the moves, we might roll back down into this opening level here. Yeah, pretty bearish close on this. Flip back to a 5 and 15. We'll see what it ends up doing, if it ends up holding this here. Watching this here dip into that 567 level.
Order filled.
Oof. I clicked it right as it jumped up there. Taking this long, was watching that 567. We just we clicked it right as it jumped 14 points. Only 3 MNQ on that. That's an unfortunate ad there.
Order filled.
Add one more actually on the level. As it starts or continues to carve lower, I should say. We ended up coming back into this level I was talking about here. See if we can find some support in this area. 15-minute open close, candle high, moving averages. Risk our 250 on that. That initial fill is going to have my stop right here and still a little bit lower. I would think probably continues lower, tags me out, maybe comes back into that 536 level. Goes back into that wick there.
Order filled.
Yeah, stopped out on that one. Not good, not good. I guess we'll wait until new 15-minute, new 30-minute candle is gonna open here. I mean, is there a setup on this? Not really. New 15. Kind of just right back in this mess. Fumbled along there. Shouldn't have shorted that. I tried playing the 10 o'clock and it just didn't work. I could have covered break even when it came back down. Couple longs where I was up 400 ended up getting stopped out break even on both of those. Looking for more. Kind of the story of my day here. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna go through this wick. We're on that 536 level. About a minute 20 left. Let's see what happens at this 30-minute. We may just wait. Let's see if we get another setup here. All right, watching here a new 5-minute candle. I'm gonna watch for this long, see if we can dip into the 9 here before continuing higher. High this 1025 candle at 588.50. We did end up missing that 30-minute long setup at the open of this, by a hair. Looks like it did come back down, would have tagged us there. See if we can get filled here at 88.50.
Order filled.
Tagged in long there. Let's watch this. I'm going to put a stop buy over the high here of 3 more. Let's watch and let's see what happens with this trade. Move stop up here. Really don't want to see it go under this.
Order filled.
Nice, got filled in there. Extra contracts. Now let's see if we can get that continued push higher on this one, huh? Or are we going to be up another 400 for it to come all the way back down? I want to see some follow through on these trades. Would have been like to have been long here from the bottom of this 30-minute that I was watching, but guess we'll just buy it 50 points higher, you know? Oh, look at that. Getting stuff back lower here. Okay, a little bit of a drop. Put a stop buy order for a couple more. See if we can get some continued strength out of that. A little bit of volume coming in there. See if they can hold this here. Going back to my entry, holding that again. See if we can flip green through this here. See if we get a strong 5-minute candle close up in this area here. Flipping green.
Order filled.
Tagged in one there. Can we continue and break this high? I don't want to move stop up yet. I don't want to move it just in case. We have a new 5-minute opening here in a minute. New 1-minute candle going to open here. Let's see if we can open and push. Let's get some strength out of this. Dipping down again. And they're trying to hold it down here. Keep getting rejected up in this area. They're supporting it here near my entry around 600. Risking 223 on this. It's okay. I usually risk 250 at max, 200 to 250. And we're down 668 on the day, so it's not ideal. Not ideal. Not the best situation to be in. We're in this position here on the long. Don't love the 5-minute close within. Even if potentially we come back down here to the 590s, I don't want to see it break where my stop is. Okay, that's the hold right there. That's what I'm talking about. That push to the 590s. It needs to hold here. If it doesn't, I'm going to get stopped out.
Order filled.
Yeah. Didn't hold that. Stopped out again. We're down 897 on the day. That's tough. Would have loved to have been long from down here that I was watching, but looking for the continuation off the 9 there. After getting that close above, retest candle high. Ends up going sideways into the 9 here and then crushing back through. Tough day today. Down 897.56. Yeah, we'll probably just end it there, honestly. Tough. Yeah. Just got stopped out, basically red or break even on a couple trades after even being up a few hundred on them. you know, started the day earlier today. Definitely some more movement, which is good, but yeah, not trading properly here. So I guess that's gonna wrap it. If you guys enjoy the video, you see everything live, the good, the bad, what to do, what not to do, all that fun stuff. Hopefully you guys can take something away from this. You know, let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any questions about anything, what your thoughts are, and trade well. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.